electric energy, nature's symphony. In this electronic battle we set the jungle free.